Give him a little explosive so he can blow it out.
Take the gumball.
Christopher.
Some C4.
He'll swallow it. Won't he, like, swallow it? He doesn't have any teeth yet. He can't chew it.
Yeah.
Well, you'd be surprised what they can do with those little gums.
Christopher, is that your house?
No, they're so good.
Okay, here we go. Here we go.
Try that again.
That's
Here we go.
Christopher's.
This is the traditional.
If he puts it back, I would just
The traditional.
Into there!
Get that orange one there. Get that big orange one.
Oh my gosh.
There he's going for it. Oh. I thought he was going to go for it.
It's all frosted on.
I'll probably smack them together.
I'm amazed that he hasn't put any of these in his mouth yet.
Christopher.
Oh, it's against the union contract.
Yeah.
Christopher,
He doesn't know what he's like playing with.
do you like that?
All he's got to do is put a little bit of that frosting in his mouth and you'll have a day with that.
Once we get there.
If he thinks it's sticky, he's like, what's this?
The suspense is killing us.
What's this?
Oh, goof.
He wants to put it back.
What's that?
He hits his friend. It's the orange gingerbread man. Eat it.
Yay! Yum 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 yum. Yay!
Now I know what you were telling me. Oh, yes.
Well, that's just like his
He's
cookies he
testing
gets
it
in
with
his high
gums.
chair.
He's,
Where's the orange
Mommy,
piece?
yes.
Yeah,
Slice it on.
Oh, Mommy.
Make sure he doesn't eat those.
I like that.
You know what he does?
I like